Okay. So we're going to start with the turning box and cha-cha. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay? Starting from the point that we started at. All right. Now we have this little amalgamation. Actually, it'd be better from this side. Okay. Now let's do it at an angle so everybody can see it. There we go. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Remember, guys, that we're lowering. We're keeping a little bit of tension from the lady going this way. We're coming in because when we do our hip twist, we're right there. We put the weight onto that foot. We do our tap. We did the chasse here, and the lady's going to do her turn. 4 and 1. We do our syncopated crossovers. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And then we finish with a turn, a switch turn. 2, 3, 4, and. We'll do it one more time with the variation for the gentleman. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. All right. I want to thank everyone for that.